Right now I'm capturing my videos holding the phone because I kept my phone on a camera stand for capturing my videos, but a strong wind has come. After that, my phone has fallen on the floor, and basically I purchased this iPhone for capturing my videos to teach people about English. So every time I'm capturing my videos, when the phone has fallen on the floor, I got really scared because this is an iPhone. That's why I was so scared. Everything for everything, Alhamdulillah. Right now, I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say right now. Alhamdulillah.